Hi brothers and sisters, out in the studio workshop today. Finished up on another gorgeous wedding ring holder. It's made out of black walnut base. There's black walnut here on the post. It's got some white stained glass here, some black melted stones here, a cubic zirconia here, and the heart floats up here. Let's set it down here on the work. Okay, we're going to look at this piece a little bit up close. This is made out of the black walnut, like I said earlier, and it sets at an angle. It's a steep angle. Sets up. It's got on the back here. It sets up like this. It's got a felt background, and the wedding ring sets right here on the black walnut post. Kind of a large piece. Sets on your dresser, your nightstand. But definitely a gorgeous piece. Got a lot of, I think I used some silver glitter in there, a little bit of silver, and it really looks good. So anyway, we've seen it up closer. So I'm sure you're looking at this on the website at luxuryringhaven.com. Have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus. And whoops. See you the next time on the next video.